So who remembers the TV show The Love Boat? Well, if you remember The Love Boat and would like a chance to be a part of it, well, Princess Cruise Lines is bringing it back. And we'll get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Princess Cruise Lines is bringing back the Love Boat with a themed cruise hosted by the current brand ambassador, Jill Whelan. Now, the cruise will be a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise sailing from the port of Los Angeles on February the 26th, 2022, on board the Majestic Princess. Now, this cruise will be paying tribute to the late Gavin MacLeod, who played Captain Stubing on the Love Boat television show. Now, also scheduled to be on the cruise, also scheduled to join Jill on the cruise, who did play Vicky Stubing on the TV show, is going to be Julie, Doc, Gopher, and of course, everybody's favorite bartender, Isaac. Now, some of the activities on this cruise are going to be a sail-away party, a renewal of vow ceremony, hosted by Julie, a cast Q&A, a birthday celebration in memory of Gavin MacLeod. They will be playing Love Boat episodes around the ship on the big screen for Movies Under the Stars, as well as in your cruise cabins, and of course, Love Boat themed trivia. The cast members are going to be sharing memories of the show and commemorating Gavin MacLeod, who of course was the brand ambassador for Princess Cruise Lines for almost 35 years. So if you've ever wanted to be a part of the Love Boat or go on a Love Boat themed cruise, this is going to be your chance. This is going to be your opportunity to do just that. And if this is a cruise you plan to book, hey, go on and watch the Love Boat episodes. They are streaming those online. Get yourself back in the feel, back in the memories of being on the Love Boat, and then book yourself a Love Boat themed cruise. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.